i-samir is a digital platform that gives you access to the academic resources of Samir Éditeur. i-samir features tools that let you animate courses, annotate pages, manage presentations, and store resources. It enables instructors and students to access digital coursework that is rich in multimedia resources and interactive exercises. You can use i-samir on a desktop, tablet, smartphone, and interactive whiteboard. i-samir is available on Android, Apple iOS, and Windows. To get i-samir, visit the i-samir.com website and create a teacher or student account. Search for i-samir in the store and download the app free of charge on a device of your choice. Launch the app and sign in to see the available titles in your library. Click on a book of your choice to download it. Once finished, you'll be able to access it anytime, even when offline. To add a new title to your library, order it through your Samir delegate or at the i-samir.com website. You will receive an activation key via email. Visit the i-samir.com website to access your i-samir account. Click on the Add Book button to enter your activation key. Your new title will appear in your i-samir app where you can download it and explore it.